This is a national moron emergency. It has been 2 years since the COVID-19 pandemic had begun, and there are too many stupid people who think that the situation is a joke or scam. Conspiracy nuts must be ignored at all costs. Their ideology is a threat to public health, and may damage your brain, if you attempt to wrap your mind around their logic. Now the pandemic has caused a surge in anti-vaccine bullshit. Are you people fucking serious, or fucking stupid, or both? I'm leaning towards both. We have people claiming that the COVID vaccine has microchips in them to track you, although you can already be tracked by using computers or phones. There are also people who believe that the vaccine will make you infertile, or give you what is known as prion disease. For those of you who don't know what prions are, they are a buildup of misfolded proteins that cause brain degeneration caused by infection, sporadic, which means unknown cause, and genetic. Anyways, if you wanted to depopulate the earth, here is an easy way: spreading an actual virus. The conspiracy crowd always brings up their favorite budgie men such as the New World Order, Freemasons, Illuminati, Bill Gates, and George Soros. Each COVID conspiracy lacks consistency. Anytime you ask one of the tinfoil hat nuts for proof of their outrageous claims, they scream, "Do your research." That means that they have no evidence. If they provide proof, it is from conspiracy video websites such as BitChute and Rumble. The main reason people believe conspiracy theories is that they want to make their mundane life seem significant in human history, or they fear an uncertain world. Conspiracy theorists have even managed to be involved in acts of terrorism. In order to prevent yourself from falling into the conspiracy trap, carefully think of the logistics of conspiracy theories. Read credible science articles and research papers, or visit websites and watch videos that debunk conspiracies. It will help you. Do note that conspiracy theorists will compare the current pandemic to things that are completely irrelevant to COVID, such as people dying from heart attacks or cancer. Heart attacks and cancer are not contagious. To all you conspiracy nuts, stop spreading misinformation. You are literally getting people killed. Enough is enough.